We're here at Seagrass Landing Homeowners Association on Hilton Head Island. Our community was built in 2006. We have a 25-year roof rating. Our roofs are now 18 years old and it's time for either replacement or rejuvenation. As we're a small 11-unit homeowner association and we don't have a huge reserve fund, we have elected to take this opportunity to rejuvenate our roofs using the Roof Maxx process because we feel it will give us 5 to 10 more years of useful life.
You spray the solution onto the asphalt shingle roof and it's going to penetrate down into the underlying layer of asphalt, which is the main ingredient in your shingles. Inside your layer of asphalt you have fiberglass. On top of your asphalt you have your granular coating. So that granular coating is your protective coating for your asphalt. So with Roof Maxx we spray it onto your shingles. It actually absorbs into that underlying layer of asphalt, rejuvenates it, adds back the pliability, the flexibility of that roof. That's what gives it the overall life and helps your roof stay youthful.
With this process, we feel we're getting the most bang for the buck. I mean, not only that, it's so much easier. I mean, just imagine roofing trucks in here on this little cul-de-sac trying to lift shingles up onto these roofs off these little driveways. That would be a nightmare. So this just works on all levels for us.
Roof Maxx can help large properties such as apartments, condos, townhouses. We can extend the life of the roofs on their facilities and that'll help them save money for other projects down the road. When those roofs start to dry out, they lose the natural petrol oils that are inside of them. Your shingles get brittle, they start falling apart, they start going through different stages on your roof of deterioration, but you start seeing thermal cracking, granular loss. Sometimes you can see shingles falling off the roof if they weren't installed correctly.
Things begin to dry out. They don't have the same crisp presentation. They don't seal as well. We've noticed that people have spent more on leaks and other small issues in the last year or two. So we thought it was time to be proactive, get ahead of the game, and take care of this problem now. We got quotes from several roofing companies. The initial quotes were around $90,000. We're saving essentially 80% of what was quoted for just putting new roofing on. We're going to be able to do other community projects. We're working on building a nice park in our common area for everybody with seating and lighting and other things, which we've never had. There's a never-ending need for money. I highly recommend somebody investigate the Roof Maxx process and the warranty. It's been a pleasant process along the way.
Hey, if you're thinking about needing a new roof, you need to think again. Think about Roof Maxx. We can help extend the life of your roof so that you don't have to worry about replacement for maybe another 5, possibly 10, or possibly 15 more years.